I didn't really crush on you.
It's when you share you on the beat.
Rough time again.
You knock on my door, you want to enter my so. You know be whiskey, no, but I know you like my so. Heading up people, how will I know so you sure, before, then I know they like you, I thought. Then I did
Steve, I want to ask you, do you take Sarah to be your lawfully wedded wife, to live together with her in lifelong companionship and commitment?
I do.
Sarah, do you take Steve to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Well, just wait, I'm not done yet.
Sarah, I look back at our time together and remember nothing but positive experiences.
Alright. Them say I flex on you, whatever them say, baby, no be true.
Someone listening to her story might think that we had a lot of tough times to deal with, but you were there every single time to tell me, Steve, God has our back. And although God seems to work at his own pace, you were always right. Not only were you right, but in the process you taught me to be a more positive person.
I didn't really crush on you. Me and you vacation. Up in me Benz, let's go. None of them don't know. I get to pick it up for you.
Steve, I've always been told to vision what I want in my life. And when it came to love, it was easy for me. The day we met, I kept telling myself that I would marry that guy in a heartbeat.
Steve, you may kiss your bride.
Woo!